Imagine getting a heart or kidney not from another human, but from a pig. Sounds bizarre? Well, welcome to the cutting-edge world of xenotransplantation, the science of transplanting animal organs into humans. Today we'll explore what it is, where it started, how it works, and what the future holds. Let's dive in. The word xeno means foreign. So xenotransplantation literally means transferring living tissues or organs from one species into another. Most commonly, this refers to transplanting organs from animals to humans, like a pig heart or kidney, into a human patient. It can involve whole organs, but also cells, like insulin-producing islet cells for diabetics, tissues, like corneas, or even skin grafts for burn victims. This method is being explored to solve one of the biggest problems in medicine: the critical shortage of human organ donors. Believe it or not, the concept of xenotransplantation dates back centuries. In the 17th century, doctors experimented with animal blood transfusions. By the 20th century, things escalated. In the 1960s, a few human patients received chimpanzee and baboon kidneys, with limited success. One famous case was Baby Faye, who received a baboon heart in 1984. Sadly, she passed away after 21 days due to immune rejection. But these attempts sparked curiosity and inspired research that continues to this day. You might wonder, why pigs? Well, pigs have several advantages. Their organs are similar in size to humans. They grow quickly, and they can be genetically modified easily. Plus, unlike primates, pigs pose fewer ethical concerns and disease transmission risks. Scientists now raise genetically engineered pigs, whose organs are modified to reduce the chances of immune rejection in humans. In 2022, a major milestone was reached when a man received a genetically modified pig heart in the US. He survived for over a month. A huge breakthrough: pig skin for burn victims, corneal transplants to restore vision, pancreatic islet cells to treat diabetes. With thousands dying every year waiting for organ transplants, xenotransplantation could revolutionize modern medicine. Despite its promise, there are major challenges. The immune system may reject animal organs even if modified. Risk of zoonotic infections, diseases jumping from animals to humans. Ethical and religious concerns, especially around animal rights and organ farming. Careful regulations and ongoing research are crucial before this becomes mainstream. With CRISPR and gene editing, the future looks hopeful. Scientists are developing animal organs almost tailor-made for humans. If successful, xenotransplantation might soon become a standard life-saving option, not just science fiction. From pigs to people, science is breaking boundaries to save lives. What do you think? Would you accept an organ from an animal to stay alive? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more biological wonders.